Okay, the objective for this lesson is I can demonstrate fluency with multiplication facts. So one way that we can show a multiplication fact is by using a graphic organizer that has different ways of showing the same problem. So if we take a fact like 3 times 4, we can show it as drawing a picture. We can solve the problem, and we can show our thinking in another way. And so the purpose of this video is to show you different strategies for solving a multiplication problem like 3 times 4. Strategy number 1 is repeated addition. So in the example, it says repeated addition, 6 plus 6 plus 6 plus 6 equals 24, and that's the same as 4 times 6. We are adding 6 4 times. Then there is 2 plus 2 plus 2 equals 6. And that strategy is showing the multiplication sentence 3 times 2 equals 6. We've added 2 3 times. And so now my example, 3 times 4, would be shown as 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3. I've added 3 4 times, and that equals 12. I have added 3 4 times, and that equals 12. Our second strategy is the equal groups method or strategy. And on this one, the example shows 4 times 7. There are 4 groups of 7 dots in each group. So if we were to add them, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28. So 4 groups of 7 equals 28. Now my example, 3 times 4, I have made 3 equal groups of 4 in each group. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. My answer is 12. Strategy number 3 is using a number line. And in the example, it has 3 times 4, which is my example as well. And so I'm going to show both of them. So on a number line, we can start at 0 and we can make jumps of 3. We're going to make 4 equal jumps. So 3, 6, 9, 12. I have made 4 equal jumps of 3 on the number line. The last strategy, strategy number 4, is making an array. An array is a graphic that has rows and columns of either X's or dots or any other type of picture or symbol that stands for a 1. And so in the strategy on here, it has 2 times 3 equals 6. So it is showing 2 rows with 3 in each row. In 5 times 3, it's showing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 rows of 3 in each row. And so if we were to count them out, we would go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So here's my example, 3 times 4. I have 3 rows of 4 in each row. And if I were to count them, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, we would have 12 total. So I have 3 rows with 4 in each row.